Hey YouTube, Vermont Prepper here, and giving the M1028 a nice detailing. My son Jake is a detailer. And Jake, you want to explain what you're doing?
Yeah, so I have some degreaser here, and I have my drill brush, and I spray it, and then I go around with the drill brush, and that should get it back to.
How many times do you do it?
I do it 3 times.
And then what do you?
I take a green brush, like a soft bristled brush, and I spray some more degreaser, and I get in there and I spray it off. So
Excellent. So we finished washing the truck. It looks pretty good. Tires are looking good. We'll put some shine on it. We'll even get the mud flaps because they're a little dirty. And then we'll do the trailer tires. The trailer tires, I don't think they've ever been done since I bought the trailer over a year ago. So we'll get those done as well. But I'll give it a once-over, a walkthrough when we're finished. I got to do the interior as well. All right, so here's the tires all shined up, along with the mud flaps. Sprayed some solution on that as well. And these tires look really good as compared to what they were. Even did the interior. And if you ever live in a place with snow, I highly recommend these WeatherGuard mats. They're really good. They save your interior. The same with this. This is from Cover King, this particular seat cover, and works really good. So what product are you using to spray on?
I'm using More Shine Tire Shine, and this is great because it gets into all these little flaps there instead of having to apply it with a detailing brush.
Oh yeah,
so,
makes it easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
Excellent. All right, I think we're just about done. Hope you liked the video, and as always, keep prepping. Vermont Prepper out.